Alright, so I think this is recording. We're taking a look at review problems from Skill Packet 7. I stopped that last video. I could have done this on the previous video that was asking us to calculate the arc length and find the area given the sector. Now, the one thing to recognize here, I don't want this angle of 38 degrees. I want the interior 360 minus 38. 322, because 22 and 38 should add up to 360. Now let's take this 322 and convert it to radian measure. Let's multiply by pi over 180. So let's let the calculator do the work. Take 322 on this graphing calculator, divide it by 180, get this decimal number, go into math, go to frac, which is fraction, and it'll convert that decimal answer to a fraction to 161 over 90. That's an ugly radian measure. Alright, so the arc length S is equal to R times theta, where R is 18 inches, and the theta in radians is this ugly 161 pi divided by 90. To 9 goes into here twice. 9 goes into here 10 times. Let's use the calculator to reduce that. So let's take this 161 over 90 times 18. Oh, it kept it as a... I thought I'd have to go back to that frac. So I've got 161 pi over 5, and that's in inches. And if you want a decimal approximation to that, to 1 decimal point, if you wanted more than 1 decimal, you can just go to the mode and change it. So 101.2 inches. That's the length of this big sector from there to there. Not quite all the way around, but close to it. Now the area, since I've converted my angle measure to radian measure, is 1/2 times r squared times that angle in radian measure. So I've got 1/2. Man, I hope this doesn't crash. 18 squared times 161 pi over 90. So let's get an exact answer. Let's take 18 squared times 161, and let's divide it by, well, 2 times 90 we know is 180. Let's convert that fraction, or excuse me, that decimal to a fraction. Boy, that is one ugly answer. I have a hard time seeing it. Let's make it bigger. 1449 over 5. and that's in square inches. And if I get a decimal representation to that, to 1 decimal, let's take this guy and multiply it by pi. 910.4. Well, that's a 0. Square inches. Alright, so I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later.